you hear me?
I can hear you, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Thank you, Mubarak. Thank you. Thank you. Please, everybody, please kindly unmute yourself. Kindly mute yourself, please.
I can hear you, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Adelafun. You're welcome. You're
Yeah,
welcome. Mr. Ali, can you hear me, please? Mr. Ali, can you hear me? Okay. Without further ado, I will be going straight to the point because of our time. We are coming behind schedule already. So I will quickly go to the today live chat. You are all welcome to this, and it is a pleasure having you all on this webinar today. What we are going to I'm going to discuss to you today is how you can be making dollars right from your home, right from your phone with your smartphone from e-commerce website. So I will quickly starting sharing my screen. Please, if I share the screen and you are seeing you are seeing my screen, so let me know in the chat box. My name is Lekon Ishao. I will introduce myself further as we proceed. So kindly follow and bear with me. All right, can someone see my?
Yes, sir. I can see your screen, sir.
Okay.
I can see it.
Okay. Thank you very much. Please, everybody should mute yourself because of the background sound. So I don't want to be muting you here. So please, if I need you, you can unmute yourself. So today I'm going to discuss and quickly starting the webinar we are here for. So how to earn in dollars from e-commerce business and how to be making six-figure income monthly. This is the kind of business you can do even if you are new to selling online, and even if you have a job currently that you are doing. So it is how easily you can get paid in dollars for recommending a high demand product from e-commerce website like Amazon does, and any dollar anywhere you are around the world. To get the best out of this webinar, it is advisable you turn off all the distraction right now and put your phone in landscape. Because if you put your phone in portrait, there are some information your phone may hide for you. So when you put it in landscape, you can easily see a lot of things, and I'm doing that, I'm sharing with you. So let's do that in few seconds to turn off all the distraction, whatever that can distract our attention from this live webinar. So let us put it outside. This program is proudly sponsored by Meriture Global Resources. Meriture Global Resources is an organization into business development, on-demand marketing, and career providing. Our job at Meriture Global Resources is to train, coach, and mentor people with entrepreneurial skills and mindset. We have been training over 10,000 members, and it's still counting because we are still training more and more people who have to become a business owner, entrepreneur. And today, a lot of our members, our trainers, our trainees are built independent business of their own in different parts of Nigeria and indeed globally. If you stay till the end, I'm going to show you, and you are going to discover the simple way to make 50 to 300,000 naira monthly from e-commerce website by selling and recommending high demand products online and offline market space, and then the healthy income without depending on gigs. Because a lot of network marketers or online marketers today, they depend on gigs. So this is an additional business you can do and be making extra and healthy income. Like I said in the beginning, you can do this even if you are new to selling online. If you grab this offer, you are going to have access to our proven sales strategies, communication skills, personal development, customer relationship, and many more. You are going to learn other targeted business education we have provided for you, like free marketing, free digital marketing training, lead generation, social media marketing, to get the most benefit out of this online and offline market space. There is a business model and a targeted knowledge for you, done for you, free of charge. Who am I and why you should listen to me? My name is Lekon Ishao. I started my career as a business consultant, a digital entrepreneur. I have been in internet marketing space since 2014. I am a certified digital skills trainer, social media specialist, and lead trainer at Meriture Global Resources and for eWay Digital Media. Who is this offer for? This offer is for smart and futuristic individuals who believe in holistic wealth. We are targeting people who have been having an ambition that they want to have 2 to 5 or 3 streams of income. If you are one of the kind of person that is been thinking of a way to increase your earning so that you can solve some other bills, this offer is targeted for you. It is important to know this. We teach you a specific strategy we are using to constantly earn 6-figure monthly from this business model. But these results are not typical, as individuals are putting more effort than one another. That is how you are going to be earning. I don't guarantee this strategy will work for you. Listen, if you don't give this business an honest effort, if you don't do what is right, however, our own job is to show you how this strategy is been working for us for free. The fact is, this business model is not a get rich quick scheme. It's not for gambler or poor people. It's not a World Bank or loan or grant platform. This is not a lotto or gambling business. And this offer is not for unserious or visionless people. My goal for you at the end of this webinar is to show you how to be making 6-figure income monthly within short period of time by leveraging on this conventional marketing system, how to use the skills you have to earn independently, how to transform average Nigerians and wherever you are, any country you are, to financial free through this plan, how to create financial health and time freedom, how to increase your monthly earning so that you can conveniently take care of your other numerous bills, how to have access to our lives and mouth-watering travel opportunity, how to have access to our freelancing platform. But I guarantee you, if you diligently work the process for 9 to 12 months, from now till 9 months to 12 months coming, you can start making $1,000 per month. Right now, I will be showing you how to monetize the tools of the new economy we have today. The fact is, the economies have changed and we are in the connected economy. What connected economy simply means? Connected economy is an economy that rewards the connectors. If you can see this illustration, the graphics right now on my screen, you will see the era we have been covered till 2020, where connected revolution set in. So connected revolution, information revolution, and internet revolution are now working hand in hand. So for you to be monetizing in the world we have right now, you have to be connected. You have to know how to leverage on the riches of social media or internet. However, to get the best out of this, it will depend on your mindset towards sales and the services you render. Therefore, to succeed in this connected economy is as simple as making a recommendation. How? A lot of us have been doing this thing for free, which what we are doing for free is what some people are using to make money. In our environment, our surroundings, our locations, we have been introducing people to our tailor, to restaurant, to mechanic, to hairdresser, to something usable that people need. Maybe someone asks you somewhere that you want to repair his car, you have introduced that person or recommend one mechanic to the person. Do you get paid for it? Absolutely no. And this is what kind of something that Mark Zuckerberg, Google, which is Larry Page, are created to be making money. How? You are going to discover that as we proceed. So we recommend people every day to product and services, but we don't get paid for doing so. This has been an error for a long time, and it has to stop as soon as possible. Now, the question is, you are buying a lot of things every day, and you are recommending products or services to people. As easy as it seems to use material, as easy as it's fun to buy, if you do not create way whereby people buy from you, you are only a few steps away to poverty, because your money hang around in some people's pockets. Why some people's money hang in your own pocket? You are buying things every day. What people are buying from you, if you don't have something to sell, you are a few away to poverty. We are in this connected economy since the emergence of 21st century. And right this moment, if you are still looking for a business, like if you don't show face, you can never make it. You haven't have an opportunity to succeed. Right now, you can succeed even without manufacturing any product, without shipping, without operating any machine, without even having any technology background, without having a warehouse to keep a product. The most importantly, without even having a certification, either you are a graduate or not, the era we have now doesn't care about that. Without even having a product you are developing, without even be an expand internationally, there are some ways, or there are some companies that have already have a system that can take care of all this for you. And that is one of the companies and organizations I'm about to expose you to. In this connected economy, people connect value to a duplicating system. How? If you have an idea about a lot of industry like information industry, health, relationship, real estate, digital information, you can make a lot of money through this process. So these are the kind of areas people are developing a lot of products, especially in health and relationship. A lot of people are selling relationship information and they're making money. It can sound funny to you, but this is the reality. People are making money, a lot of good money in real estate today, and people are making money through digital information. Like the likes of Aki Alabi, Tony Omotosho, and the likes of them. There are a young guy, a smart guy, who have already have an idea and exposed to internet when internet get to Nigerian at earlier 1992 or 93. These are the young guys that are first exposed to the internet. And today, all these guys I'm talking about, they are a billionaire today through connected to what? Introducing value to people. When I'm talking about value, what value simply means? Value is anything that can exchange to money. And anything that you can use to exchange for money is what is going to give you an asset. You are the one that want to stand in between the value and the people to connect to the value and make assets. How? You are going to understand further when I get here. Now, the power of the connected economy to create your own wealth is to be by becoming a connector. How can you become a connector? We all know Facebook and Instagram. Who owns Facebook and Instagram? We all know that it's Mark Zuckerberg, including WhatsApp. What Mark Zuckerberg does? It's very simple. It connects you and other person. Maybe you are in Lagos, someone is in Abuja. Both of you are communicating through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp, through Instagram. And at the end of the day, for you connected to this person, that is what is giving Mark Zuckerberg the money. You see? So either Mark knows you or you don't know you. Directly or indirectly, we are paying Mark every day, even while Mark is sleeping. A lot of people also are running Facebook ads by paying Mark Zuckerberg to showcase their business to people. You see? So every moment, every second, every day, we pay all those people. How? Because they have already created a system to connect people together, and at the end of the day, they are making money from us. So if you also wanted in 2022 to be to be making a lot of money by next year, the best way to do that, to make a lot of money, is by becoming a seller, by being intermediary between people and what people need. Same thing goes to Amazon and Jumia. You see, what Amazon is doing, Amazon create a platform whereby people who have a product uploading product on Amazon website. When you have a product as a vendor and you want to upload product on Amazon site, you have to pay Amazon or Jumia for your product to be appear to people. So when people go to Google today, I wanted to buy anything online. When they type anything, Amazon website, Jumia website, Alibaba website is what comes to them. And at the end of the day, when the people, this is you, and buy anything on this Amazon, the vendor owns the money. Amazon get paid from the vendor, and Amazon also make money from you. Because all the data you use, at the end of the day, data is money. All those subscribers, MTN, Airtel, Glo, they gather all the data together. I used to pay Amazon every month. So, and the person, the owner of the Amazon today, as at this moment, is the richest man in the world without even stepping out to sell anything. Just has a platform whereby people uploading the product. So the simple things I want you to understand in this is Amazon connect buyer to what? To a product. You see, that is kind of e-commerce website. When you have a platform where you can connect buyer to the product, then you eventually make money. What are other things people do? Some people are connecting people to their services like Uber, Taxify. You see, what Uber does, the person that created Uber platform is just thinking of a lot of people will be at bus stop waiting for cars. Instead of that, let me create an app. When people log into my app, then I will provide a driver for them. And at the end of the day, the person, the owner of the Uber is making a lot of money today. Just 11 years in business, in the market, he has reached over 13 to 18 billion dollars. And we have the owner of ABC Transport in Nigeria, which the man have already established ABC Transport over 27 years, and he's still owning on $1 million. You see, Amazon does. The owner of the Uber or Bolt, they don't own a single car. They are just leveraging on the owner of the car, and you that you are looking for someone to take you to somewhere, connect both of you together, and they are making money. That is kind of business that involved in connected economy. So right now, individuals are participating in the globalization directly using digital platforms to learn, find work, make sales, showcase their talents, and build personal networks. Over 9 million people internationally connected to social media today, and 360 million taking part in e-commerce business, as you can see. So when you heard about e-commerce business, don't joke with it. I repeat, don't joke with it. So right now, the best way to collect your own personal money from people is to sell or recommend something. Every successful people, organization or nation do sell something. Like I showed you, Facebook is selling. What is it selling? Is it selling people services? You see, the owner of the Amazon, it has reached over $209 billion in the world today. It's the richest man in the world. What is he selling? Recommending other people's products in this platform. It is either you sell or you'll be sold in this connected economy. If you don't sell anything, people will sell you. That is the secret. So the money you are looking for, you see, is collected, is not created. No one can create money. You have to collect your own money. So despite with the poor of economy situation, like other people are complaining, money is still circulating, and people like you are still making money in dollars through direct selling modem system, through affiliate marketing, information marketing, and through digital products. So that money you think you have right now belongs to someone else. Yes, because you buy every day. Right from the clothes you wear, from the shoe you wear, from the food you eat, every day you buy. You keep buying every day. Any daily use, you use your money to buy. Now the question is, who is with your own personal money? How can you collect your own money from them? Have you ever asked yourself that question? You see? How rich your mindset is towards selling and servicing recommendation will contribute to how successful you will be in the connected economy. So If you don't accept the act of connectors or the act of selling or embrace the act of selling, that is a new way for you to make money right now. A lot of people are getting involved in affiliate marketing today because what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is just having a platform to sell other people's products and make either 30, 40, or 50% commission depending on what the vendors give out. You see? Yet, people are still scared to sell today. Because why? A lot of people wanted to have a business, but they are scared of losing. They are scared of failing, scared of rejections, scared of how to find a customer. A lot of people want to establish a business today because they will need money to stock up the store, the financial infrastructure. There's no business you wanted to establish that you won't have error or money for maintenance. But with this company that is offering this e-commerce business, which is direct selling model, you don't need to fear about this. Everything has been done for you. And we have a targeted knowledge. Instead of you looking for a way to find for customers, his customer will be looking for you. So you don't need to be scared. You don't need to be looking for what you want to sell. Like a lot of people wanted to make money, but they don't know what to sell. So don't worry. At the end of this webinar, I will be showing you a high demand product, on demand product that you can be selling. Forget about policy and tax payment. This company have been taking care of all this for you. Even what you just need is to be leveraging on the compensation plan. So in a few minutes today to end this presentation, I will need your attention more than before. Why? Because right from here is when I'm going to explain what the e-commerce business is all about. So the e-commerce business, the simple business model that I'm about to recommend to you is called direct selling. I repeat, direct selling. What we do is simply to connect buyer or recommend a complete product and services direct to consumer for profit making and also earn commission through the conversion marketing plan. What is direct selling? Direct selling consists of any marketing that relies on direct communication or distribution to individual customers rather than to a third party, such as mass media, email, social media, or text campaign. You see, direct selling is just a promotional method that involves presenting information about company product or recommending the company product to consumers. So we get this product directly from manufacturer and you get the buyers or recommend it to in both offline and online market space. So you don't need to be worried. We have already have a digital marketing training that we are going to show you. We're teaching you, training you, instead of you looking for customers. Don't worry. We have already have a target, a done-for-you system that customers are the one that will be looking for you. What you just need is to make sure you are ready on WhatsApp to attend to them and close the sales. You get it? And what? Close the sales. Your profit on each product can fetch you up to 30 to 50,000, depending on the sales you make. You earn commission from the company directly, apart from the profit you make to your bank account monthly through the e-commerce website that will be personalized with your identification number. Because you partner with this organization, you are going to be given an ID number. The e-commerce website have already fully loaded with more than 100 different products. To generate income from this e-commerce business called direct selling requires simple components. Number one, I represent it as vehicles. What vehicle simply means you need a product and services which it has been already fully done for you from the start to finish. Secondly, you need engine, marketing system to connect buyer to the product and services, which is being done for you through our own personal system. On how to distribute the product or deliver the product without your money, without show your face to customers. All these are being done for you. What you just need is to grab the offer, and we are ready to teach you, show you our proven strategies. The third, you need fuel. For every business to succeed in life, you need people to buy your product or services. So, and that is what is called traffic in social media marketing terms. So when we are talking about traffic, we have already created so many platforms that will be generating traffic to your e-commerce website. Yes, this kind of business I'm talking about, e-commerce websites, direct selling, a lot of people have already done the like of this business in the past, but they do it in a hard way. Why? Because the challenge many of them face in this kind of business is they don't know the product to sell. They don't know how to sell the product without showing face. They don't know how to create a strategy for sales. They don't know how to get buyer. They don't know how to get the product to deliver without showing face, like I said. They don't have a 6-step, a fair and duplicated 6-step. They don't have a digital skills to leverage on the selling. They don't have a team support, no digital tools, no teamwork. They misunderstand the standard of the industry, and a lot of them have 4-6 techniques that fit the individual personality. But right now, at the end of this live chat, I and my team are ready to show you an easy way to do it. So at Mention Global Resources, there is a done-for-you 6-step marketing system plus free digital marketing training to scale up your sales online and offline. We have created a targeted marketing and sales guide just for you. We teach you and show you how to sell, recommend, and connect people without talking or convincing them. You can see that's an amazing. A lot of people that want to sell today, how will you be able to meet your customer without talking or convincing them? But we have already had a done for you, practical done for you 6-step that personally we have already tested it and it works. How could that be possible? Our Smart Fair Legal System guide will take care of that for you. You don't need to be worried. We hold you by the hand and show you step-by-step processes on how you can maximize and leverage on our standard system to become a seller and a connector in this connected economy. So our system is very simple to duplicate and is a sustainable system business. We guide you on how to sell, recommend product. 2, we leverage on WhatsApp status. We leverage on an online survey. We always do an online recommendation, online presentation, and contact recommendation. A lot of people are using WhatsApp status, but they don't know how to use WhatsApp to make millions. I have a friend who always teach people on how to design on Canva, and with just posting on WhatsApp status, that my friend is making over 300,000 naira monthly just on WhatsApp status. So all the social media platforms we are using is not just for fun, but to just greeting or checking people's profile. Right now, this is high time for you to learn on how to leverage on all these things to be making money. Additionally, you have marketing support from our reputable partner organization. You have access to a ready-made e-commerce website, fully loaded with products that is completely done for you. Free domain, hosting, and no yearly renewal. You won't renew anything. Our partner, our companies that provided the platform are the one that will give you the domain, and they are the one that will be hosting for you. Why? Because they want to be getting money from the e-commerce website, and that is why you are partner with them to make money from them. So it's a win-to-win. You have access to marketing mobile app. The app has been customized to redirect customer back to your e-commerce website with just a click on product link right from your WhatsApp or from any social media platform. The third, you have access to opt-in in-page integrated with Dripcampaign for email marketing. If you have already know how to leverage on email. So instead of you subscribing on Aweber, GetResponse, Mailchimp, this company has provided their own email template just for you. This can be used for lead capture to follow up customer to the email. Now, here is the business model that I've been talking about. This is the business model we have, the platform you wanted to be leveraging on. This is everything that's been done for you. You are in the middle, and the organization partner is called New Life. There is a 3 range of products that you will have on your e-commerce website. Number 1, we have a product that is working for wellness. This is not a drugs, it's a supplement. We have a cream that you can introduce or recommend to people around you, and we have home care products that people can be using to wash cars, wash rugs, and to maintain other domestic use. Now, when we are now talking about how to do this without showing face, number 1, the company will provide a website for you free. You have app on your phone. You have access to 2 apps. One app you'll be using to track anything you do online, and the second app is the one that you contain a lot of content that you can just click from there, send the link of whatever you want people to know from WhatsApp, and it will redirect them back to this website. When you have a business and you hold a website, you have the IT department that will be taking care of that, and you pay for them. But when you partner with this, when the company generates your e-commerce website, the IT department are there for you to support you 24 hours without paying them. How doing? You are not the one. You are not the one to what? To do everything yourself. You can order from your smartphone, and the company logistics take the order and go and deliver it to your customer without you showing face. Do you get it? You can order for anybody from your smartphone, then the logistics of the company will take care of it and go and deliver it. So when you're talking about distribution and everything, this company is being taking care of it for you. If you have already heard about this company, right now I'm not talking about going for. I'm talking about marketing system, the e-commerce system that you can do. Do you see it? Now, by partner with this organization, here are some of other benefits you have. You work at your own pace. Nobody will say this is time to work. You are the one that will choose the time to work. Share the New Life product and the New Life opportunity anywhere you are. You earn extra income, extra money for the things you do every day, and you enjoy a better way of life. Now, everything you have access to, like I said, you have access to the app. Here are the 2 mobile apps. This one is New Life Back Office app. This connected direct to your website. So whenever you want to check how you are performing, how your team are performing, this is the one you are going to use. This is a New Life app that contains all the content. You don't need to talk too much. If anybody wants to know about any product, just come to this app, click on the link of the product, send it to the person's website. When the person click on the link will direct the person to the video, and the person can move from that video direct to go and order from your website without you do nothing again. And after the person order, then the company take it from there and deliver to the person, and they come back to pay you. Do you get it? Now, let me quickly show you this simple video on how the mobile app is. You see it? This mobile app will help you to grow your business. With just your smartphone, you can do this. You don't need to show face. You see? And whatever the products you sell, there is a profit, there is a commission you have to earn. It's just like an affiliate marketing, but this is not an affiliate marketing, it's a direct marketing. Direct marketing and affiliate marketing, they are having similar relationship. Because when we are talking about affiliate marketing, when you sell other people's products on affiliate marketing, once they pay you until you sell. But when you are talking about direct selling, you will continue to be paying throughout. This is not a pay-off business. It's every month, monthly income making. Because of our time. Now, this is my own website as an example. You can see this is me. You can see my photo. So when you have your e-commerce website, you customize everything. So whenever customer comes to it, Is your number, your Gmail, your social media handle is the thing they are going to see. And whenever anybody buy products from this website, you get paid. Save up to 5 to 20% of retail. These retails, you are going to get paid, and company will even pay you a commission apart from the profit. Now, these are the kind of products you can have on this website. More than 100 products, but I just want to show you this. You can see this product. This is an organic fertilizer. This is made for farmers. If you have a lot of farmers around you, this is the product that you are going to recommend for them. You can see it is 5,420. That is selling price, but this is not the money, your own price from the company. So whenever anybody come here and buy this product 4,420, your own profit company have already attached. Immediately the person buy the product, then the company remove the profit, then they pay you into your account, and at the end of the month, they also give you commission from the compensation plan, apart from the profit. So I'm talking about the 2 or 3 ways you can make money from this e-commerce business. So we have other products too. We have men's health, we have women's health, we have energy and fitness, we have children's health. So you are the one that you know the kind of product you wanted to deal with. Learn about it. And the amazing thing is that this company provide a university where you can go to that university online, learn as much as any product you want to be dealing with. They will even give you a certificate. When you watch videos, they will set an exam for you. If you pass, you are going to get a certificate. So that certificate, you can be showcasing it on WhatsApp to anybody you wanted to deal with. Now, here are the kind of countries, if you get involved in Nigeria, you can sell products to anybody from any country worldwide. This is just a signature to showcase it. We have more than 50 countries. South Africa, Tanzania, Togo, US. You can be in Nigeria and sell products to people in US. Now, this is kind of email template the company is going to give you. If you log into this website now and you type your details, I am going to see the details right now, and I will call your name out on this live webinar right away. So if anybody if a partner and you have this kind of thing and people put their information here, you are going to receive their information and call them immediately like, hello, good afternoon. You get involved. I saw your details to know more about how may I help you. You can direct the person to WhatsApp and start dealing with them. So everything has been perfect for you. Then also at the back office of your email marketing, you have a lot of training video, presentation video, click campaign. So with just a click on message, you can send a message to 1,000 persons at once. Like if you know about email marketing, you will relate well with this aspect. So these are the 6 steps that's been built for you, free of charge. Now, these are the transactions I have done so far. When someone order came to my WhatsApp, you can see 120,000 dollars. That person found me on Google and we met on WhatsApp, we chat on WhatsApp, the person transfer money immediately, and the logistic came to come and you can see the logistic came to come and to one of our office in Lagos and pick the product and go and deliver it from Lagos to Efe. You can see. So this is the kind of business we are talking about. You are not the one to be dealing, to be going to customers. This is what we have been talking. I have been showing you. I have been saying on this live webinar. You can see. So I ordered the product uncle. I sent the location to our office in Lagos, and the logistic go there to go and pick it, and it's going to deliver it. You can see. You can see. This is kind of business that you can do even while you are at home. These are some other information too. When people go to Google, they search for our product and they come directly. They are the one that will come and say, I want to buy this product. You can see. This is the quotation, the amount of the product the person wanted to buy. And after selling the person, giving the person the total amount, then the person send the address for the location. Immediately the person receive the product, he transfer the money. Why? Because this person is scared to send money, but he promised to pay on delivery. So I use my personal money to order for the person, and I tell the logistic that before you deliver the product, let him send my money. Then when the person receives the product, he asks for my account number. As you can see, I say my name is Ishao Lekon. This is my full name on my account, and the person transfer the money. Here is another person from Lagos customer. This is an Ikoyi customer. You can see this person transfer money and he got the product delivered. You can see a lot of sales. A lot of sales always coming every day. This is the kind of e-commerce business you are going to be doing at your own. What you just need is to attend the customer on WhatsApp. Now, with all this, here is what you are going to have when you partner with this organization. You own a nutritional staple website worth of $2,000, product website integrated with payment system worth of $5,000, mobile ad for marketing and business analytics worth of $2,500, email marketing and doing automated response worth of $3,000, creative content worth of $1,000, support system, all these in Naira, Ghana, Cedi, and Rally worth of $9,000, which is roughly 5.2 million if you want to have this kind of business on your own. But right now, with the power of leveraging on this system, we don't need to be looking for this kind of money. These are the things that these companies have created to give. These are the created of. At the back of your website, when you log in, there's a certain place with you find a lot of content, which you don't need to develop any content to be selling on social media. This company have already created content for you in form of video, flyers, audio, text, and everything that's been done for you. Now, here are the kind of the people we have been trained, and today they have been making money. This is what they call self-volume bonus. This person have been making money even right when we are in lockdown last year, July. This person makes 57,000 naira because this is not a business you are going to go in out with. You may not go out and you are going to make money. And after we get out of the lockdown, this is the amount of the money this person is making. Do you get it? Do you get it? Are you listening? Now, this is another person. You see, you can see the amount the person is making every month in dollars. So conversion of this money to Naira is what is giving this person this compensation plan. Do you see it? So this is another person that is making this kind of money. 933,000 Naira every month, $2,276. So these are the evidence. After then, we have already created a training outline for you, free online marketing training. These are the training you are going to get from us free of charge when you partner with this organization, because we are going to train you on how to be leveraging on social media with all this training when you join this organization. Starting from the Google My Business, you see, if you have been looking for how to get a customer, you don't need to be worried. These are the things, these are the platforms we are leveraging on. Google My Business is a platform given out for free by Google, just like a Facebook page. But this is more powerful than Facebook page. Remember, when everybody wanted to buy anything online, where do they go? They go and ask a machine, which is Google. I want to buy some things. So we are going to open a Google My Business account for you now and make it and put it in your location. So whenever people around you are looking for this company, you are the one that are going to find. This is an example. This is my number. If you call this number now, I am the one that will pick it up. You see, this is one of my account on Google. And you can see it on map too. So this is my number. You can see a lot of people, when they go online and search for this company product, they found me. And this is another account too that people own on Google. Do you see it? So whenever people go to map to search for this company product, they are going to get you online. Apart from that, we also leverage on YouTube videos. These are all the videos I have already have on YouTube. So whenever people search for on Google for search for this business and for the company product, either they found me on Google My Business or they found me on YouTube and called me. Under all this video, my details have already attached. So you are going to have access to our training on how to develop all these videos and create a YouTube channel and put it there. Instead of you chasing customers, they are the ones that will be coming to chase you. Another way we always getting traffic, people to buy this product, is we run a Google ad. So we are going to teach you how to run a Google ad, not based on this product alone. Even if you have other business you do, once you know how to Google ad, you can use our knowledge to promote your other business online. Not only that, we are going to teach you how to run a Facebook ad. These are the ads I've run before, and I got a lot of sales from this ad. How could you feel when you use 10,000 naira to run an ad and you are making a sales of 300,000 naira? Out of that 300,000 naira, I got about 80,000 naira profit from the product. Now, minus 10,000 naira from 80,000, how much does it remain? I have 70,000 naira as a profit, and at the end of the month, on that 300,000 naira sales I make, company paid me a commission. This is what we have been telling you. These are all the products I have done so far. Now, you have two choices to make. Number one, do nothing and not take a leap of faith. Number two, take a leap of faith, get started now and just give it a while. Give yourself a chance for once. If you have been seeing people doing this business and you don't understand, this is the rightful way to do it. Like I said, we are not talking about build to build for here. We are talking about the aspect of the e-commerce business that the company have given as a free platform to make money from this. Now, to not get access to this company, to the e-commerce business, what is it going to take you? You can see just a token amount of 20,600 naira. When you started with this starter kit of 3NN or 26,500 naira, if you start with Pro Vitality starter kit. But remember, I said you are going to have access to all the tools and platforms worth $9,000. What if you want to own your own business personally? I'm a web developer. I'm a Pundaba digital marketer. If I want to create an e-commerce website for a business, a brand, I will never charge less than 300,000 naira. And if it is a small brand, if it is a big brand, I'm going to charge more than 1.2 million because I know what I want to create for them as an e-commerce website. So you are going to have all these e-commerce websites for free just by partnering with this token amount of money from Nigeria. We have in Ghana the amount you can join in South Africa, in Ghana, in Kenya, in Uganda, other parts of the world. We have that. This is the right website. The screenshot of the website I show you as my e-commerce site. You can see it. If you are seeing my screen right now, you can see I've shared the screen. So now let me quickly show you some evidence of the people I have trained, and today they are making the money. Because all the screenshots you see, you can think it is a Photoshop. But let me quickly go to, because this is kind of back office you are going to have when you partner with this organization, like I said. Here is the back office of my business. And the people I've already have in team, the way they are performing, they are earning their own money, while I earn my own too. So one of the people I have trained, I'm going to show you from their own back office, the way they are earning every single month, so that you won't think all what I've been showing you is a Photoshop. You can see this person is also Benson, is one of my team members that I have trained, and today you can see the amount is making every single month. Let me zoom it so that you can see it very well. You see, this is the kind of the person I have trained so far, and this is the amount he is making. Let me quickly show you the amount he's making in dollar every single month. You can see, even as of last month, he make over $1,300. Now, when convert to Naira, from the conversion plan of the company, he is making over 500,000 Naira monthly. And this is the kind of person that attended a webinar like this, joined, and we trained him, and today he's making this kind of money. So all the pictures you see, you can see it's a Photoshop. This is not a Photoshop. This is a real business that you can do. This is one of over 6,000 people that is performing every month in my team that I've trained. And the way I train them, they are also somewhere in Nigeria, somewhere in Ghana, somewhere in Togo, somewhere in Cameroon, teaching other people on how to leverage on this aspect of e-commerce business. So I have come to this end of presentations. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I'm going to respond to you right now. So any question?
No question from this side, sir.
Okay. Mr. Jaga,
Thank you very much, sir. There's no question, sir.
Okay. So in the absence of no question, I wish you all the best. So if you get back to the person that connects you to the WhatsApp platform, I ask for the link on how you are going to partner with this organization right away. Immediately when you partner with this organization, we are going to add you to our team platform where we will continue your digital marketing training on how to do this business successfully. So in the absence of no question, I wish you all the best. See you in the next webinar. Thank you for watching.